Welcome back, everyone. Hope you remember the last session in which we have done question number 1. In this question, we found out which of these are terminating or non terminating decimals. We said that if the denominator can be written in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, or I can say 2's and 5's, we said that they are terminating. We said the first one is terminating, second one is also terminating. Okay, like this we have done different questions, which few of them were terminating and few were non-terminating, repeating. Like this one was non-terminating, repeating. Even this one was non-terminating, repeating. Okay, so in today's session we are going to see question number 2, in which he is asking write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. So from these questions we are going to take only which has terminating decimal expansion, which had terminating decimal expansion. Okay, and we are going to find what is the decimal expansion for it. Okay, so for that I'll take the first question, because the first one was terminating decimal. Okay, because the denominator 3125 we were able to write in the powers of 2's and 5's. So let's begin with the question number 1. So 3125 we were able to write 3125 as 5 power 5. Yesterday you have seen that. So 5 power 5. Now I want to write decimal expansion of it. We said that it is terminating. Okay, by looking at the power of 5 we said that it is terminating, but what is the decimal expansion? How to find it quickly? One method is you can divide it directly. Okay, 13 you can divide by 3125, you will get 0.00416. okay, this is one method. Another method, the new method, is 13 by 2 power 0, 5 power 5. So 2 power 0 is like 1, there is no 2 in that. Okay, so how many 5's we have? We have 5 power 5. So I'll multiply here those many 2's. How many 5's we have? Will multiply those many 2's, multiply and divide. So I am multiplying and dividing by 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. Got it, everyone? Because if I multiply 2 power 5 here, then I can write 5 into 2 whole power 5, and that becomes 10 power 5. Okay, that becomes 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 I can easily write. Okay, 10 power 5 I can write as 1 followed by 5 zeros. Got it, everyone? This is 10 power 5. So now what will I get if I write 416 by 10 power 5? 416 divided by 10 power 5, this step. Okay, I'll get the same answer, 0.00416. got it? So you can do it by either division, or you can follow this procedure for finding the decimal expansion. I found this one is quite interesting for a 10th class child. Okay, so what to do? Make the powers of 2's and 5's equal by multiplying and dividing by required number of terms. Let's see the next bit. So we saw even the second one was terminating, 17 by 8, because 8 was, we were able to write 8 as 2 cube. So this was also terminating decimal expansion. So how many 2's we have here? We have 2 3 times. We don't have 5 here. Okay, 5 power 0. So I'll multiply those many 5's. So 2 cube I'll multiply by 5 cube and divide by 5 cube, because I can't only multiply it. So this becomes 2 into 5 whole cube. Okay, you can see here I'm multiplying 5 cube by 5 cube. So 17 into 5 cube, that is 17 into 125. Also we should multiply the numerator, so the numerator changes, the 17 changes to 2125, and denominator becomes 2 into 5 whole cube, that is 10 cube. So 2125 by 1000, that becomes 2.125 if you remove the decimal. If you do by long division method, you get the same answer, 2.125. So this will be asked in MCQs. The question can be asked, after how many decimals 17 by 8 ends? So you can just look at 2 power 3, so you can say it ends after 3 decimals. It has 3 decimals. Okay, this is the way you can follow any one which is easy for you. Similarly, I'll take one more example, sixth one, 23 by 2 power 3 5 square. So here you have 2 power 3 and 5 square. They are not equal powers, 5 square. Okay, they don't have equal powers, so I'll make the powers equal by multiplying 5 by 5 here. What I'll multiply? I'll multiply 1 5 here, 5 by 5. Okay, the numerator is 23 only. So why I'm multiplying 5 by 5? Because I want to make this 5 square as 5 power 3, such that I get equal powers of 2's and 5's. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, 5 by 5, you can see here. Then 5, this becomes 5 cube, and 2 into 5 whole cube, that becomes 1000. And this numerator 23 is multiplied by 5. Okay, because we are multiplying 5 by 5, the 23 multiplies by 5, it becomes 115. So 115 by 1000 becomes 0.115. This is the procedure. If I say in simplest way, you should make the powers of 2's and 5's equal. Okay, like here I made 2 cube and 5 cube. You can multiply any number with, if 2 is missing you can multiply 2, or if 5 is missing, if you can multiply 5. So this should be done only for terminating decimal expansion. This is not possible for non-terminating repeating, so you have to leave non-terminating repeating decimals. So in this question, leave which are non-terminating repeating ones. Okay, which are non-terminating repeating ones you can leave, you can skip those questions, and solve all the fractions which are terminating, like I solved these 3. The remaining you solve on your own. Thank you.